Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most common questions I get. Is AgriBaron legit? And more importantly, does it really pay? Let me clear things up for you. Yes, it absolutely pays out. This isn't just hype. I've personally received payouts, and many other players are seeing real returns from the game. Just check out the proof on the screen. Payments are processed quickly and show up almost instantly. So how do you start cashing out? All you need is 50 gold coins. Once you hit that mark, you're ready to withdraw your earnings. By simply planting and harvesting wheat daily, you can earn 1.5 diamonds a day, which adds up to about 15 pesos. It might not make you rich overnight, but it's steady, reliable, and completely free. So if you're into farming games and want to earn on the side, AgriBaron is definitely worth checking out. But what if you're someone who's willing to invest to earn bigger and faster? That's where the real strategy begins. Let's say you wanted to get a daily profit of 183 pesos or 5,490 pesos monthly, and you want to know what crops should you focus on. The answer is simple. Invest in apples. Let's break this down. Once you upgrade your land to level 2, your income potential skyrockets. Take apple farming as an example. Each apple seed costs 3 gold coins, and with 30 available plots, that's a total of 90 gold coins or around 900 pesos in capital per day. But here's where it gets exciting. After 24 hours, each apple brings in a return of 0.61 gold coins in net profit. Multiply that by 30 plots, and you're earning 18.3 gold coins per day, or about 183 pesos in clean profit every single day. Now, do the math. That's a net profit of 5,490 pesos per month just from planting apples. And remember, that's on top of your original capital being returned daily. 1,083 pesos per day, total return, capital plus profit, means you're not just earning, you're recycling and growing your investment. No tricks, no fluff, just consistent farming with real results. So, if you're still thinking twice, this might be the sign to level up your land and start earning smarter. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to drop a comment, and subscribe for more farming tips and earning strategies. Keep farming smart, and I'll see you in the next one.